And still in Westmoreland, the story of a family struggling to bury their loved ones who died during Hurricane Melissa last year. Here's Kirk Wright with that report.
4 months on, and the Clark's family remains in limbo, pondering where to find the first dollar to bury their loved ones. They reside in Lennox Big Woods in Westmoreland. Sophie and Basil Clark were casualties of Hurricane Melissa back in October 2025. The powerful Category 5 storm flattened 3 concrete houses located on the plot of land where the family members reside. Sophie was attempting to make a run for it to the nearby shelter at the Chantilly Primary School when a section of the school collapsed and fell on her.
And you don't bury us yet. Me and the mother don't have the money neither.
Her uncle Basil was riding up the storm at his house when a section of the wall also collapsed, injuring him. He subsequently died. Downed trees and utility poles prevented them leaving the community. So Mr. Clark was buried in a shallow grave where he remained for a month.
And right now, we, the family, are asking for assistance to bury them because in the time of last year, we also buried 3, which is my grandmother and my 2 cousins that got shot. So we are asking assistance for the person out there who are willing to assist with us. Even the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, our person out there who are willing to assist, can go ahead and assist us with anything problem that they can help us with.
Sophie's father, Rupert Clark, believes the government should play a part in her burial, especially since she was killed in a government shelter.
I think the government should help me bury her, or give me some recompense for bury her. Like she died under the shelter.
The family is trying to put their lives back together, but having difficulty doing so. With determination and help from some good Samaritans, some members of the family have started building back. Chudian says now that the hurricane season is fast approaching, much help is needed to get them more prepared.
No, we are not. We are not prepared for another hurricane, and I don't think I could manage another hurricane. I swear, I cannot manage. It's rough. So anyone out there, you can assist with some blocks or anything you can, I appreciate it. I am willing to try my best. If you assist, I'm not going to wait on you to give me cement. If you give me block, I'll try to get some cement. If you give me block, I get whatever you can, I appreciate it.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.